Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look. Here I come. In 3, 2, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Bang! Greatest show in the daggone multiverse. You're welcome in advance. And we have a great show for you. Bang! Today. All right, guys. So like I told you yesterday, so we talked about Chiliz and Solana yesterday. We're going to talk about both those guys today again. That's why I was getting so angry yesterday, seeing the prices of them go down. You'll see. Don't worry, I'm not gonna harp about dumb money anymore. Don't worry. We're not gonna do that today. I think I've vented enough about that whole situation there. Well, this situation. All right, so look, but Chiliz. All right, so another team, another soccer team. This time from bang, Portugal, and it's the national Portuguese football team. We're gonna read about that. Bang. And then tokenized stocks are being offered by a Swiss, I think it's a bank. Shit, I didn't write it down. Some Swiss company on Solana. So another onboarding for Solana. Bang! And then since we read about it last week, El Salvador, they went full Bitcoin, right? And so Bitcoin is now legal tender in El Salvador. And so, El Salvador, they're going to mine crypto using a volcano. Yeah, I think it's called hydrothermal power or something like this. I don't remember what it's called. We'll read about it. It'll tell us. Geothermal power, right. And so, there's some pictures of it. And so we're just going to take a look just for fun. It's the weekend wrap-up show, so we have a little bit of fun. And I think that's cool. Why not? And then shout-outs and the daily summary as usual. So let's proceed how we proceed with them. Bang. And then we do a little bit of look. Bang. And then we do a little bit of refresh. Refreshing. All right, so what we got? What are we working with here? Bitcoin. $33,100 even. When I left you yesterday, we were at $30,925. So we have gone up. What's this? We've gone up $2,275. $2,275 up. Whoops. All right. Bang! Bitcoin do, Bitcoin be. Up a couple grand, down a couple grand. All right, let's look at the top 10 of the day, brothers and sisters. You know who they are. Usual bag on miscreants. The usual suspects, boys and girls. Look, top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Binance Coin, Cardano, Dogecoin, XRP, USD Coin, Polkadot, and Binance USD. Let's look at market moves of the day. The usual crap. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Holy, this really is no one in double digits. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. All right, single digits up, single digits down, 2. Single digits up, 2. Single digits down, literally today. All right. So let's see who lost money today. You see anything here? Like, go get it. It's on sale. Bang. There's the bang. See, we got what we were going around here. All right. Top 10 losers. Nexo, Celsius. Internet Computer, Unisedlio, Hedera Hashgraph, Kusama, Quant, Theta, Scicoin, and Horizon. All right, let's see who made money today. Not much. All right, top 10 gainers. Cello, Shinfin Network, Harmony, AMP, Crypto.com Coin, SushiSwap, Cosmos, Bitcoin SV, Compound, and Bitcoin BEPT. All right, it's the weekend show, so we do the weekly wrap-up. The weekly crypto wrap-up. Well, the show's called the weekly crypto wrap-up, sorry, and then we do the weekly who got the most, who made the most, who lost the most. So let's see who lost the most this week. Bang. Top 10 losers of the week for the past 7 days. Top 10 losers: Kusama, Internet Coin, Near Protocol, Phantom. Hold on. Is this the right? Hold on. All right. Yeah, this is it. All right. Top 10 losers: Kusama, Internet Computer, Near Protocol, Phantom, AMP, Neo, Nexo, Revain, Horizon, and Polkadot. Let's see who made the most money this week. Whoa, Cello. All right. But other than Cello and Quant, ain't much gains going down around. Actually, these aren't even gains. These are all fucking stable coins. All right. So, top 10 gainers: Cello, Quant, DAI, HUSD, Paxos Standard, Terra USD, Binance USD, True USD, Tether, and USD Coin. Basically every stable coin. All right, let's look at the total market cap. All right. Total market cap is $1.322 trillion. Wait, 1 second. And when I left you yesterday, we were at $1.268 trillion. So we've gone up. What do we go up here? $0.054 trillion. All right, let's look at the 24-hour volume. All right. So 24-hour volume is $87.5 billion. When I left you yesterday, we were at $90.8 billion. So we have gone down $3.3 billion. All right, let's get to the stories. So, bang. All right, so here's the one I promised you. Yesterday it was Chiliz onboarded the Brazilian team SC Corinthians. Well, today they onboarded the national Portuguese team, the team of the national. So here it is. Let me just read it. Portuguese national team launches fan tokens with Socio. So, bang, there you go, Chiliz hodlers. I can keep telling you, they just keep onboarding and onboarding and onboarding. And like I did the whole thing, the scenario yesterday, with being an analyst and all that. Yeah, baby. Solid buy. Solid buy. You know what I'm saying? Solid buy. Revenue generating, and exactly look at what they say right here. Let's look at the byline. The platform reported that sales of its fan tokens have generated more than $150 million this year. Generated. Revenue generating. Revenue generating. So that's great. That's great. And so let me get a sip and we'll proceed. Yep. Chiliz. All right. So I'm not going to explain what Chiliz is. I've explained it before. It's a fan token thing, so people buy the tokens, and then they get stuff from the team. Interact with the team online. Vote for this. Bet on that. Win prizes of jerseys and shirts and free tickets to the games and stuff like that. All right. If you want to hear an expanded version of Chiliz, go to last night's show because I really told the whole story. Okay, so blockchain-based sports platform Chiliz, excuse me, is partnered with the Portuguese Football League to release fan tokens on Socios. So, bang! Socios is the platform that Chiliz does this thing on, does the fan token thing on. In a Thursday announcement from Socios, the platform said it will be dropping tokens for the Portuguese national football team, also known as a Celeste. Oh, man, I know. I'm going to brutalize it, but, Binium. A Celestiao, or the selection. Celestiao. All right. Or the selection within the next few days for local fans. Oh, this is happening in the next couple days. Nice. So as with previous tokenized sports franchises, the digital collectibles are minted on the Chiliz blockchain and allow token holders to vote in polls and earn VIP rewards. The launch of the POR fan token will allow us to create new ways of reaching our supporters and interact with them in new and innovative ways, said Portuguese Football Federation's Chief Marketing Officer, Nuno Maura. This will create new opportunities to engage fans with the Portuguese team like never before, providing them with exclusive benefits, experiences, and rewards. While Chiliz through socials has formed partnerships with major names in sports to release fan tokens, crypto and blockchain firms are apparently vying to sign licensing agreements with sports franchises across Europe and the world. Earlier this month, the French Football Federation announced it would be launching official player non-fungible tokens, or NFT, with blockchain-based blockchain-based fantasy soccer game So Rare. In the U.S., both the Philadelphia 76ers basketball team and the National Hockey League's New Jersey Devils have entered similar partnership with Socios. The platform reported the sale of all fan tokens have generated more than $150 million this year. Bang! So, Chiliz hodlers. There's another one. There's another one. So, that's what we preach about on this channel. Buying revenue, investing in revenue-generating companies, which is how it's done to be a successful investor. And like I said yesterday, I'm not going to harp on it today, but don't worry about the prices of stuff now. Just load up on whatever you like that is generating revenue, and just wait for the tsunami to arrive. Wait for the big boys to arrive. There's a tsunami of money coming, and just wait for it to arrive. All right, let's move on. And so, again, another one for Chiliz hodlers. Bah! All right, and then here's one for the Solana hodlers. Another one. Yesterday, Solana. So what did we read about yesterday? Oh, right, they got the ETP. 21 shares made the ETP out of them, and they're on the Swiss Stock Exchange. So that's like being on the NASDAQ or the Dow Jones. You know what I mean? Not just some obscure little weird exchange off somewhere that no one ever uses, This is the big boy, SIX. It's called SIX, S-I-X, Swiss Stock Exchange. All right. So, Swiss-based Digital Assets AG launches tokenized stock offerings on Solana. Bang, Solana hodlers. Way back in the days, I told you this would happen, that they'd tokenize stocks eventually. Like, why wouldn't you? Like right now, I don't remember what company it is, but they're offering stocks, so they're doing it like crypto, right? Like back in the days, if you wanted a stock, you have to buy the whole stock, right? If a share of Microsoft is $100, well, you got to buy at least $100 worth, right? You got to one share, $100, pay. Well, right now, there's some company out here that's doing something where you can buy fractions of stocks. So just like Bitcoin's what are we at? 33,000 today. Well, obviously you all know watching this channel. Well, you can buy $100 worth of it if you only want, right? And so that's what they're doing with stocks now. They're allowing people to buy fractions of stocks instead of the whole things. Whatever. But I guess for the millennials who don't have much money. Just kidding, millennials. Well, I'm not kidding, but I mean, I'm not laughing at your problems. All right, hold on. Let me get a sip and then we'll read on. All right. Let's check it out. Switzerland-based token issuer Digital Asset AG, or DAAG, has officially launched its stock tokenization infrastructure on the Solana blockchain. So Solana hodlers, bang! Offering users of the FTX trading platform a novel way for accessing digital equity markets. During the initial rollout, FTX users who have completed the Know Your Customer documentation will have access to 55 free-floating stocks available 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Digital Asset AG announced Thursday. That means users in permitted jurisdictions will be able to buy, sell, and withdraw the assets at any time. Free-floating stocks are assets that have received regulatory approval. Oh, okay, so these are actually regulated. All right, nice. So they have received their regulatory approval. Bang! Nice. To trade on tokenized platforms. Okay. Wanted to know if this was just some miscreant behavior or not. Yeah. Apparently they went through the hoops. And, well, these are regulated, so nice. As DAAG explained, they represent the number of shares of a given asset, excluding lock-in shares, such as those held by company executives. The tokenized stock offerings are valid in the European Economic Area, or EEA, through a prospectus endorsed by Liechtenstein's Financial Market Authority, DAAG said. So DAAG executive Brendan Williams explained his firm's rationale for launching on Solana. So the move for operating the move from operating on a private blockchain to operating on Solana will offer a much more efficient and cost-effective environment for the trading and utilization of tokenized stocks. We envision the entirety of traditional finance and capital markets being able to operate on the blockchain, and Solana was the obvious choice. Oh yeah, big ups to Solana. Meanwhile, FTX already offers tokenized stock trading. As the Cointelegraph reported, FTX debuted the Coinbase pre-IPO contract on the eve of the company's public listing in April. So Sam Bankman-Fried, founder and CEO of FTX, said DAAG's tokenized stock infrastructure will help facilitate a paradigm shift in the underlying market structure. Solana has received tremendous support from investors, venture capitalists, and other market participants. The crypto startup recently raised $314 million. Okay. From several high-profile investors to expedite the development of its high-performance blockchain. Nice. Oh, yeah, that's right. Andreessen Horowitz and Polychain Capital led the raise. Bang. You know, Andreessen Horowitz, they're big-time investment firm, venture capitalist firm in what do you call this place? Silicon Valley. Yeah, they invested in a lot of the big names before they were big. Yeah, and like Facebook, just a whole bunch of shit. They invest in a lot of the names that we know today. Anyways, so with additional contribution from the likes of Alameda Research, Blockchain Ventures, CMS Holdings, and CoinShares, among others. All right, so bang, Solana hodlers. Oh, yeah. Bang. Tokenized stock offerings coming to Solana. So, bang, Solana hodlers. Let's move on. Now, El Salvador releases a sneak peek of volcanic Bitcoin mining. So, I don't know if these are real pictures. These look like they're pictures of what they want it to be. They don't have this thing built yet. They just passed the law, so it can't be built yet. But I think this is what they want it to be. And so just a fun story. Just a follow up from last week's announcement about this, right? And so let's check it out. Well, let me get a sip. And I mean, why not, right? And everyone's complaining right now about, you know, the energy efficiency of Bitcoin. Excuse me. I guess I should say its lack of energy efficiency. And, yeah, well, here's a solution. Fucking slap a few mining rigs on the side of a volcano. Well, it's a little more sophisticated than that. But, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, just find yourself a volcano and just slap a couple rigs on there. Mining some Bitcoin. All right. It is obviously more sophisticated than that. And we are going to check it out. So the country has proposed geothermal energy generated in via volcanoes to power mining rigs. Here's what it could look like. So volcanoes has long been painted as a method of natural destruction, but El Salvador's ambitious new plan places them at the center of solving a global concern, mining Bitcoin via renewable, clean, green energy sources. Mining proof-of-work cryptocurrencies involves using a massive computing system that solves millions of complex calculations each second to validate transactions on networks like Bitcoin. This, however, comes with huge energy requirements, and because much of the energy in many of the mining-centric hubs is generated via coal or other carbon-generating sources, the overall environmental footprint of Bitcoin has repeatedly come into question. Well, do you fancy a Bitcoin mine via a volcano? Do tell, do tell. So look, whoops. So, El Salvador's proposed volcanic miners could change just that. The uncanny plan utilizes geothermal energy to produce energy that can in turn power miners. Well, miners. Furthering the country's broader ambition to include Bitcoin in its economy. El Salvador even became the first nation to legalize the asset earlier this month. The plan is moving ahead quickly. In a tweet this morning, El Salvador President Nayib Bukele revealed rendered images of what the proposed volcanic mine could look like. Clean, volcano-powered, hash rate coming soon, he wrote. So here's him. All right, look at him. He's got the laser eyes. That's the prime minister. Or is he a president? President. All right, so here's what he envisions. Let's check out the pictures. Oh, yeah. All right. And so I'm assuming the volcano is this thing here. All right. Bang. Oh, yeah, all fancy. Nice. Look, the nerds are doing it. Look at them go. And bang. Yes. Fancy pants office space. Office quarters. Looks, that's the vision. All right. Let's get back to the story. So, Bukele said earlier this month that local engineers have already built the primary foundation of which the hub would be erected. Our engineers just informed me that they dug a new well that will provide approximately 95 megawatts of energy, starting to design a full Bitcoin mining hub around it, he stated at the time. So meanwhile, the development comes amidst an exodus of miners from China, currently the world's leading crypto mining hub. The current, I know, these guys are moving out big time. Well, they have to. They're getting banned, so they got a regulatory arbitrage. You got to go somewhere where they're going to let you mine. So the country's government has famously been a naysayer of cryptocurrencies and said last month that it would stamp out all forms of crypto transactions and mining in the region. Bang. All right, that's it. So there it is. So there's all right, those are just pictures of what they want it to be. But he did say that they already dug the well. And it will provide 95 megawatts of energy. So this is real. He ain't fucking around. They've dug the well. And I guess this is what he wants to envision it to look like. Yeah, just cool. Like, on this channel, I've said it a million times. I'm not going to get into it, but yeah, if I was a president or a dictator or something, holy fuck, my whole country would be mining crypto. You out of your mind? You out of your mind? I'd have a mining rig in every house. A few, even daggone. I've said this before. I'd have a mining town, and it would all just be mining rigs. And I'd have prisoners, like my prisoners, all the miscreants. Right? You get 10 years for robbing a bank. All right, buddy, I'll knock off 4 years for you. You keep those mining rigs running, right? Behave yourself and keep the mining rigs running. Yeah. I don't know why every country just doesn't mine crypto. Like, what the hell? All right, so that's how it is sometimes. Not everyone is such a visionary like myself. All right, just kidding. Let's go. All right, let's move on. Bang. So look. Oh, bang. There we are. Oh, no, not yet. Where the fuck are we supposed to go? Here. Oh, yeah, here. Bang. There we go. Dang on. All right. So, Lorna all in downs. Look. Wait, first of all, look. Lorna, she came to this space not too long ago. She said, look, I'm all in. Bah! Oh, yeah. And as you can see from the portfolio, she put her money where her mouth was. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bang! And then we got Spy Lady, Brency, the assassin. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bang! Then we got Biniam connecting the dots. Love you, see you, with the bang! We got, oh, wait, I should open this up. All right, here we go. Let's go down like that. Yes. Then we got Grudgeable. Love you, see you, with the bang! Then we got Abundantly Me. Love you, see you, brother, and the kid. Bang! Then we got Chapey Vizo. Oh, I haven't seen you for a few days, bro. From the Pasquiyaki tribe. Look, V-Chain Master. Bang. V-Chain Hodler. Bang. V-Chain Killer. Bang. Tool Master. Love brother, see you, brother. Bang. DP Entertainment. So, brother. So I wanted to show you guys. I asked DP to tweet something for me, but he didn't get around to doing it. So I just got it myself. So this is something that he tweeted today. And I was laughing about this for like about an hour. Well, check this out. When flat earthers realize they've been breathing from the atmosphere and not the atmo-flat. Right? You know, atmosphere, a circle, not the atmo-flat. So, because it always amazes me, these kind of really, I mean, just daggone, like, believing in aliens, okay, that's one thing. Believing in, you know, I don't know, some, you know, people going to take over your country or something, okay. But believing that the world is flat, that is just too much. Like, that's too much, right? And so I just found it really funny. I was laughing for about an hour when flat earthers realize they're breathing from the atmosphere circle. Moron. It's called the atmosphere, not from the atmos flat. All right, so thanks for that one, DP. That was the funniest. That's one of the funniest memes I've seen. Holy, that is just some funny shit right there. I've been breathing from the atmosphere the whole time, right? They have the lady holding her chest like, oh. All right. So look, DP. So, brother. Love brother, see you, brother. Bang. Robbie Hardaway. Love brother, see you, brother. Bang. Got Andrew Bucheda, the enforcer. Look, juice worth the squeeze, folks. Bang. Listen, Andrew. Radster, 1975, holding down the insurgency in Eastern Europe in Prague. Love the zebra, the bang. And then we got Universal Mr. Thrope. Look. The loyalist from Central Europe, holding down our Central European sleeper cells. Yes. Love the zebra, brother. Bang. All right. Oh, there's Banks. Love the zebra, the bang. Oh, new follower. Let's see what this guy's talking about. Stock learner? Love to learn every day a new thing. Bang. Well, you've come to the right place, homie. Love and see with a bang. Me too. Right? If you end the day not knowing more than you started it with, is it really a worth it day? All right, new follower, Ether Lover. Buying and holding crypto. Always looking for more opportunities. I'm down. Yes. Ether Lover. Love and see with a bang. Oh, and we did this yesterday. Remco. Love and see with a bang. And there's Kong. Wow. Love and see, brother. Bang. All right, let's get out of here. Let's get back to the bang. Let's get back to the Death Star. Wrap this up and get the weekend going. Look. I guess it's already going. It's like fucking Sunday, isn't it? Look. Settle down. All right, guys. So we had a great show for you today. Whoops. Hold on. All right. Great show for you today. All right. And again, so Chiliz onboards the national Portuguese soccer team, football team. So that's what I mean. You know, like Chiliz onboards the best, right? They onboard the best. Like they're onboarding the whole national fucking team, right? That's, the best. And so I said it yesterday a lot. I preached a lot about both of these things, so I'm not really going to get into it again, and I'm not going to get into dumb money and all that. You guys heard it yesterday. If you want to hear a rant about dumb money and why you see something like Chiliz generating revenue, yet the fucking coin goes down, well, if you want to hear why, go to yesterday's show and go about 20 minutes before the end and start watching from there, and you'll hear it. But anyways, like I said yesterday, we are based on reality, not dumb money perceptions. And we know that when smart money gets here, well, they're going to be thinking the same things we are. Who's making the money? And while Chiliz, they're making that chicken. So, bang, Chiliz hodlers, bang. There's another one. There's another onboarding. All right. And then tokenized stocks come to Solana. So, another onboarding for Solana in 2 days. And, tokenized stocks, like I said, now it allows people to do it like how they do. Allows them to invest in stocks how you invest in crypto, where if you don't want to buy a whole one, you can just buy half of one, a quarter of one, or whatever. Right? You don't have to buy, Bitcoin's what, $33,000 right now. Well, you don't have to dish out $33,000 worth of Bitcoin. If you only want, I can only afford 10G worth. All right, well, you can get a third of a Bitcoin for 10G right now, right? And so, and that's what they're doing with regular stocks, This is going to bring more usage to Solana. Thus driving up the price, and, well, good for Solana hodlers. Bang! And then finally, we took a little sneak peek at the conception. So that was the conception. I didn't know if those are real pictures or not. I didn't actually read the story. I just saw it, and I was like, I'm going to talk about this, right? Because I saw the pictures, but I didn't know if they were. But these are conception pictures. But beyond the conception, what I've always told you on this channel is, as a dictator, my whole fucking country would be fucking mining crypto. President Clarke, Mr. Shomari Clarke, Mr. President. What are we going to mine? All of it, you fuckstick. All of it. Every single one we can. And we're going to stake them all too. Like, dang God. Holy crap. Like, what are we waiting for? I'd use the money of the state, which is the taxpayer dollars, and I'd reinvest those taxpayer dollars into crypto. Let's go. And watch those portfolios rise. Like, what I mean? I wouldn't just be a president who takes your tax dollars, and builds stuff for you. I mean, obviously they build stuff for you. You buy aircraft carriers, you buy stealth fighters, and, pay cops and teachers and stuff. Sure, of course, I do that. Well, then leftover money, bang! We'd be mining straight crypto, dog. Mining it, staking it. Fuck, maybe even come out with one, just daggone. Oh, I guess that'd be that CBDC shit. Who knows, but whatever, that's what we'd be doing. That's what we'd be doing in Shomari-stan. We'd be a straight crypto country. All right? A mining rig in every household. So, obviously, this guy hasn't gone that far and imposed his crypto-ness on his citizens like I would. President Shomari really loves crypto. He's making us do all of this. So he hasn't imposed a crypto regime on the country, but that's what I would have, a crypto regime. Every household has to have a mining rig, daggone. Fucking right. As soon as your baby's born, I'd have it, bang! I'd put a QR code on its ass and bang! Pop that right on the VeChain Thor blockchain, baby. Bang! Yeah, our country. I mean, motherfuckers are complaining now that they have to wear a mask because of Corona. Oh, yeah. Oh, you'd see what complaints I'd have. Yeah, and I'd round you up, too. If you didn't want to do it, oh, yeah, round them up. Yeah, I'd put you in prison and make you mine those rigs. Look! Okay, settle down. Settle down. I wouldn't do that. Or would I? I don't know. But look! You can't really say what you would or wouldn't do when you're just dreaming of stuff, right? Wow. You know? What, Mr. Smith? You don't want a mining rig in your house? Why not? Because you're going to use it to track, right? Then think of some crazy shit like the people here in America, right? You're going to use it to track me. All right, buddy, come here. Just throw him in jail. You're an idiot. Get out of here. No, I wouldn't. No. Look, settle down. But anyways, so he didn't do, like I said, he didn't unleash a full crypto regime like I would. But I wouldn't be fucking around. Look, this is going to help you, buddy. Settle down. Sorry. He didn't unleash a regime, but he did allow Bitcoin or he made Bitcoin legal tender. So it's legal tender, just like a euro or a dollar bill or a Japanese yen or a British pound, a Russian ruble, or any of them, right? It's just on the same standing, a legal tender. And so there was the sneak peek of the volcanic fucking BTC mining setup he wants to set up. They've already dug the ditch. They said it's going to produce, hold on, let me look at it again. What would they say? Yeah, 95 megawatts of energy. And, it's legal tender and they're going to start mining it. Of course, you fucking idiot. Yeah, you need some new roads, some new bridges. Mine some crypto. Economy's not doing so good right now. Corona's here. Yeah, Corona doesn't affect the fucking mining rigs, does it? Those mining rigs go to work every day no matter what. They're at work 24/7. So, you know, your country is generating, literally generating revenue. And so I think it's a great idea. I'm proud of this guy. I've said it here before. I don't know what dictators are waiting for, how stupid they are, how uninformed they are, what kind of idiots they have working for them, not telling them, sir, we can do this and this and this. I told you about the king of Jordan. In Jordan, they have a whole city that they're building right now that is just not electric, what do you call that shit? Solar panels. Yeah, we'll slap some mining rigs on those panels, homeboy. Renewable energy and making yourself money. Anyways, I'm glad one guy figured it out. El Salvador's president. So, bang. All right, and on that note, let's chill it. Bang. Let's kill it. Bang. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Look, subscribe below, press the bell. You get an back notification when I do the show. Greatest show on earth. Greatest show. Look. Yes. Thank you. In the multiverse. Bang. My name is Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bang. Love talking crypto. Bang. This is the favorite time of my day. So, thank you for having me in your home. And I'll see y'all guys next time for another fun fact-filled crypto day of crypto talk. Oh, yeah. Until then, subscribe here and press the bell. Bang. Watch that video there. Greatest in the multiverse. And I'll see you guys next time. So, look. My name's Shomari Clarke. I'm always on duty and always watching our money. Bang. Yes. Have a great weekend. Accumulate. Over and out.